Hello, 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 and welcome again to Tips for Your Voice. We're going to talk about progress. You're moving along and everything's going great. Your voice is seeming to get bigger and stronger, and you're able to hit the notes, you're able to do the phrases, you're able to do everything you love, and then all of a sudden, there's a glitch, and you feel like, golly, I'm not progressing, something's going on, or you even feel like something's backing down and getting worse. It's normal, okay? Progress is not that steady line up. There's here and then up. There are some glitches, and I wrote it down here. It's normal. There is a downturn. So don't get discouraged. It's a downturn, but then everything's adjusting and you start moving forward and getting even better. All right? Progress is not just this. There are many turns. It's just like life. There's just so many turns in life. So keep going. Don't worry about it. Get my book. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it again. I Will Not Grow Weary. It's on Amazon. I was 20. All righty. So have a great and wonderful day, because it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye.